I will never look at birds the same way after learning this. Secretary birds are wild. This bird looks like it's wearing high heels. They can kick a snake to death in seconds. Secretary birds can grow up to 4 feet tall. They've got eyelashes that would make any model jealous. These birds can fly, but they prefer to walk. Their name, it comes from their quill-like feathers that look like pens behind their ears. Oh, and they're the national emblem of Sudan. Follow for more odd facts about things you never knew you needed to know.